Welcome back. We are studying debugging in Visual Studio. In last video, we saw introduction to debugging and what is debugging, why it is needed. So if you are not familiar with that part, my suggestion is to watch that video first. So this video is an overview of what are the tools and techniques that we are going to study through this video series. So these are the various tools and techniques that we are going to study through this video series. So we are going to see how to step in through code. We will see how to use breakpoint, how to run to specific cursor location, how to attach a debugger, how we can debug the exception, what is call stack, how to use data tips and data visualizer, what is quick watch window, local and auto windows, and as well as immediate window. So from this video onwards, we are going to see this part in each and individual video in more detail. Thank you for watching.